This is good news for all TikTok lovers. Now, not everybody wants to be a streamer. Now, I won't even lie to you guys. Being a streamer is so difficult. Like, it's like leaving everything you have to do in your life and just being out there to, talk to people or communicate with people. It's actually fulfilling, but it's a lot of work. Hi guys, your favorite girl, Love on Bad TV. Yes, this opportunity is not about being a streamer, in as much as being a streamer is good, but you sort of like have to depend on people coming on your life. And if people are not really used to you coming live every time, you could be on live for like an hour or two. I'm telling you from personal experience. You could be there, be a talk show host, talking your brains out. People are coming in, you're getting followers, but nobody would gift you because gifting is their choice, right? You can't force anybody to gift you. Unlike Facebook, where you do not need to be there to get paid, you do not need to be there for your engagement to grow. It just grows. So TikTok is a little bit different. Apart from UK creators, those are the ones that actually get paid for not even being there. But at the moment, I don't really know like sort of like what the amount is right now. But for those of you who are Canadian creators, I don't know if this happens all over the world because I can only speak for the UK because I can only speak for UK and Canada because those are the places where I really like open my account. But in Canada now, at least I got a notification that TikTok has left Marketplace. Now, TikTok Marketplace, I'm sorry to say, it was really, really bad. It was shitty. Like what it was a lot of these people saying, register on Temu. Now, if you're already on Temu, they will tell you have to get another email, get another phone number, register on Temu. Then they sent me a lot of WhatsApp messages. Register on Temu first, do this, do that, before you can now qualify to do a video for us. Because after the registration and blah, 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 then they would claim that they would send you something from China or wherever it's coming from, like clothing for you to use to do videos. So I had a lot of this marketplace people, TikTok marketplace people, reach out to me. And it was horrible because all of them were like, it felt like a scam actually, because I didn't go ahead with it to know it was actually a scam. But it felt weird. Like companies are supposed to reach out to you. These people are supposed to be brands and then be reaching out to you to say, go and upload something on Temu. Go and get the Temu account before we can actually get you gifts and all. It was just too much. It just sounded too fake as far as I'm concerned. But I'm here to announce that there is TikTok One. Oh my God, guys. So TikTok One reached out to me some days back and said, oh, you being a Canadian, I don't know, actually you being a content creator in Canada, blah, blah. That's what I said. You guys let me know in the comment section if it's working for you. But there's something called TikTok One. You get a notification to say, you're a content creator, you're being recognized. TikTok Marketplace is leaving. Thank God it's leaving because, like I said, there's a lot of scam there. Now we're introducing TikTok One. So what happens is different brands, I have a lot of brands that have reached out to me so far to say, you know what, we want to be able to like work with you on TikTok One. And that way you create videos. They give you like a guide to say, this is what we want. You create videos and you submit. Obviously, if they need approval, they could tell you, okay, we need the video in like French language, Italian, or blah, blah, blah. Because this happened to me. I had to change the video to French. You do all that and you submit back. You can actually get up to 1,300 and something and more because different brands have different engagement and different things that they come up with. Once the video you did is running an ad, you will be getting revenue down here. It will just be piling up. So this is so exciting. For TikTok lovers, you do not need to stream to actually get this income. You can read more about TikTok One and to know if it qualifies in your country. But me as a Canadian content creator now, it does qualify. I got a notification and I've already started with it. So I decided to tell you guys about TikTok One. Have you tried TikTok One? Let's talk about it in the comment section. It's your favorite girl, Love on Bad TV.